today we're getting to work on the M3 and it's a bit of an arse of a job. Just look, it looks so horrible. Oh my God. I don't know whether this is like an OCD thing or something, but every time I look at it, the unevenness makes my jaw ache. Enjoy the baldness. You can leave me a little comment down below. Baldy McBalderson is on the camera today. Sorry, it's just too hot. Let's go. Right, let's have a look. Oh my gosh. I've got to jack this up quite high. Ooh, it's getting a little bit rusty on that subframe. Uh-oh. Well, we need to get this off. Anyway, there's a hanger there and a hanger there. Let's start a jacking. We need to get deep. Right, there's another hanger there. Oh man, that is going to be a dick because I can't get the car up any higher. Imagine if we had a ramp in here. I need to stop being tight and just fucking buy one, I think. It's getting ridiculous at this point. Right, what are you? What size are you, you little rat bastard? Oh, I'm going to guess 13 because it's a fucking BMW. 10 mil, we've actually got one. 13, look at you. Look, I understand my garage is a bit of a mess, but I keep my toolbox, for the most part, neat and tidy. That's what I've learnt over the years, because I have bought about 18 of these. I must own shares in Halfords at this point. Fuck! My friends! I got something to show you real quick. Hang on, wait. Listen, my friends, this is only going to be a real short break in the video because I want to show you some stuff that's finally landed that I've had made. It is so cool, super cheap, and it's a great way for you to support this channel if you fancy it and you get something sick in return. First off, because we're doing the M3, let's start on the M3. We've got key rings and we've got air fresheners. I'll show you those in a second. We've also got the original Fright logo. These are on the website right now. As we're doing M3 video, I thought I'd show you M3 stuff first, but there's more. So this is a little spoiler for what's to come in the next upload. So make sure you hit like and hit subscribe and get your bell on, ready to see some Sylvia stuff. But bam! We've also got Sylvia pre-livery. Look at how sick that looks. I kept the little 621 in yellow on there just because I thought it looked so cool on the keyring. And not just that, we also have air fresheners. Oh, that one smells so good. It smells like lavender. It's good, it's good. But we're not done. Now, if you guys are here from the Civic build, you guys will have seen we've got the new engine. I have ordered pretty much every part I need. Bits are turning up slowly, but I'm still waiting for the main parts to arrive to really get stuck in. But until then, if you want the Civic in your life a little bit more, bosh, look at that. How cool is that? Another keyring, but we're not done, baby. We've got an air freshener too. Oh, it smells like cherry, man. It's so nice. And look at how cool that looks. And these are all on the website right now. Super cheap as well. And if you buy all 4 together as a pack, they're obviously air fresheners and key rings individually, they're actually discounted. So if you wanted all 8 things, it's under £20. For the channel and what I'm trying to do over here, it gets you some really cool little products too that are only relevant to the channel, and it also supports me a lot. Anyway, back to the video. I hope you enjoy the M3 stuff. Let's go. Oh, it is a 13. Come on. Ow! Oh, my wrist. Oh, I need to... Just let the WD-40 itself for a second. Little drink of water, stay hydrated. Sweating loads, it's disgusting. You're gonna be able to see my shiny head. And I think that might be Will Penny arriving. Everyone needs a friend like Will Penny. Look, he literally got here, gave me a fist bump and just laid under my car. What a man! Come on, Will Penny! Yep, I truly believe that. Everyone needs a friend like Will Penny. Make sure you go give him a follow on Instagram. He's building an insanely cool Civic. I'm going to be going up and doing a catch-up video on that car very soon, so make sure you subscribe. Middle ones are off, but these ones in here, you might not be able to see. There's nothing really a lever against on those ones in there. So what Will is saying is he is willing to risk snapping the bolts. I know, because it ain't his car, but I've had a bit of an idea today. where we might be able to use this again sooner rather than later. We'll see if I can financially make it happen. I think it would be really cool to get one more use of it before the year's out, like proper use. What do you reckon, Will Penny?
Fuck it, why not?
I do like that attitude a lot. So if you want to see us take this car out one more time on a big trip again this year, please hit like, leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate it a lot. It will really help the video on the algorithm. See, Will Penny, this is why we shouldn't have done this. It's going to wreck it.
I just put the jack back under it.
Do you know how expensive fucking M3 parts are, mate?
That's
Too poor for this car. Ready?
Is it still caught on?
I think it's still on here, up here. That bolt there. Fucking hell. Yeah. I'll show you what happened, because you can see. What these are is they're riv nutted on, look. Just there.
We've lost the head.
There are no heads of the riv nuts on there anymore.
It's gone, mate.
So I guess drill the old ones out.
Put some new ones in.
Put some new ones in.
Right.
Yeah. The annoying thing is, they're like easy-ish jobs to do.
Yeah.
It's just they're fucking shit. They're all just laying on the floor.
Yeah.
There we go. I knew we had one. Did you trust me? Did you trust me when I said... I said, we've got one of these somewhere, and I'd never used it, and it was in a brown box. And what did we find? What did we find?
In the brown box, fella.
A brown box. Found it. Nuts. And flashy new tip to go on. We'll check them all, I guess, because if one's gone, I guess the rest might.
This looks like this side.
Is that how it works, is it?
Yeah.
That's all you do?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. Can I have a go? Sorry. So that goes on there. Yeah, like that.
Exactly, and just give it a little squeeze, mate.
And then what?
Let go and squeeze it again.
Oh, what did I do wrong? Why did mine go wrong? So we made the decision to change every single tip. It actually came as a pack of 4 and they all look beautiful. So while the exhaust was off, let's do it. Let me get some redemption here.
Yes, yeah, so give it a good old squeeze. There you go.
Sweet.
As if by magic.
Hey! Hey! Ooh, wait, ooh, wait.
Get your tips out.
Get your tips out. Is it stuck in there?
Yeah,
Should we just tip it upside down? 3 old, dirty, worn exhaust tips off now. New one on and riveted. We've learned something today, which is cool. How to use a rivet gun. I should have probably not waited until I was 35 to learn that, but here we are. And now we've got, it's like Christmas, the presents time out. That's it, sick. Do you want to know how much these are from BMW? And then I'll tell you what I paid.
I'm going to go with the 50 quid a pop from BM.
£258 each from BMW. Guess how much I paid?
Probably about a tenner.
I paid $150 for the whole lot. Yup, you heard me correct. I saved a massive amount of money by not going to BMW and using Modstock, a company here in the UK that also modifies the back boxes, which I've also had done too by them. It's brilliant, they're super cost effective, and the parts are perfect. Fuck me, that is... Oh, are you fucking sure, mate?
Yeah.
Already it's looking so much better and it's not even on the car yet. Okay, back boxes have pipes. I'll give them a little wipe down so they look all lovely. Now we need to flip her over again. Oh bloody hell, just ran that on the floor straight away. For fuck's sake. Oh, well.
Give us the bit you can see as well.
That's the upside down anyway, so it's fine. There we go. Now with all 4 tips polished, bolted up and looking fantastic, it is time to refit the back box to the E92. Thankfully, it was actually a really easy job, especially having Will here to help. Right, time to mount it. Let's go. Look, that was actually quite an enjoyable, fun little job, wasn't it? But that wasn't unenjoyable.
Don't slim and just get ready to put it back on, yeah? It'd be really handy if there wasn't like 10 cars in it.
There's 3 and they look sick. The lineup is impeccable.
You got 2 good cars.
3. This is very good.
I mean, these 2.
Okay, ready?
Whoa, hang on. Fucking. Hang on. You need to start like that.
Okay, hold that like that then, yeah?
Oh, there's wood right there.
What an ass design.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks well good though, doesn't it?
It looks better when it's on. Yep.
Oh yeah, look at these fresh tips. My jaw stopped aching already. I am very happy with this. Oh, it looks so much better. Damn. Right, let's give it a start. Well, Penny, let's go, baby.
Yeah, start up the tips fly off.
Good. Fixed. Job done. That is sick. And that is a job done. Let's get outside and have a look in the daylight, shall we?
Daylight.
Woo! Oh God, they look so good. Oh, the WD is getting launched out. Oh, hell yeah. The M3 is back to its beautiful best. I just wanted to take a moment while the sun is shining and we've had a bit of a successful day. I know it wasn't the biggest job in the world, but never used a riv gun before. Never done this job before. Feel very successful and it was really fun to hang out with Will. So make sure you hit subscribe. We've got lots of stuff coming at the channel that I think if you've enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love. I would say that is a job well done. The M3 now doesn't make me feel sick when I look at it, which is amazing. It looks so good with the new tips on. That's just a real refresh I didn't even expect to happen. So very, very happy with that. As always, Mr. Will Penny, thank you, mate. I didn't even expect this today, so that was super cool. Will just dropped me a text. That looks sick, by the way. That is a Facebook picture right there with all the shit behind you. Will basically dropped me a text saying, do you want to do car stuff? And I was already down here, so that was epic. We've now got the M3 ready to be used. The only real thing I'd love to change on it is the tyres, maybe the colour of the wheels at some point too. Let me know what colour you guys would do them. They are the Work ZR10s and they're lovely, but they've suffered, let's just put it that way, over the last few years. We've got loads of builds happening on the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you again in the next one. Peace. Peace.